Hello everyone, I'm here in Scarborough. I'm here in Kennedy Road and I think that's Lawrence right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a walk of Kennedy Road. So if you're an older person like me, you remember the Kennedy Road used to be all these tech retailers. So many other retailers used to be here, but now they all left. Yeah, it used to be a mega place to go, especially during Boxing Day. Boxing Day, this whole road would be jammed. I mean, seriously jammed. This here, this Good Life Fitness. I don't know if you can see it right here. This Good Life Fitness. Do you remember what it used to be here? Future Shop. You remember Future Shop? I'll put a logo of it on the screen. This used to be the former home of Future Shop. Future Shop, as you know, is a defunct company now. It's Best Buy now that controls the remaining Future Shop locations. So I'm just going to walk 15 minutes. I'm going to walk 15 minutes down Kennedy Road and show you what's left. So here you got a furniture store. These are smaller companies. You see a lot of that here. They sell cheaper furniture than what you get at Leon's or the Bay or IKEA. These are probably, like, you know, used furniture. Not sure. This is a brick outlet store. Normally at this side, the west side of Kennedy, is like food stores, restaurants. Sorry, smaller grocery retailers, small restaurants, like some Vietnamese restaurants. I don't know what that is. Here's some more furniture stores. But I highly doubt the quality of these of the goods here. They're probably used or you know, defective furniture that the bigger retailers can't sell. There's another one right here. So back in the day, I think there used to be a club here. One of these buildings was a club. I forget which one it was. I think it may have been this one. I'm not sure. Someone look it up for me. Actually, this was a club. Kennedy Convention Center was the club, I think. That was it. Sorry, I'm carrying my umbrella with me, so I'm carrying a couple things with me at the same time, so apologize for that. So as you can see here, there's a lot of Indian places that have taken over these once bigger store and locations that used to sell technology stuff. Like I said, look at this place. It's not the same place as before. People just drive by it now. They don't stop by for anything. This used to be a mecca of all technology. You come here to buy your TVs, stereos, car stereos, you name it, it had it. No more. It's not a dead street, but it's almost there. So even Snow City is closed down. So that's Snow City. That used to be a big place for motorcycles, snowmobiles, you name it, power sports. Looks like it's closed down too. Here's another retailer closed down. This is called the Chick Queen. Never heard of that one before. There's Canada Computers right there. That's always been there. That's good. So I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to stop the video. There's nothing much else to see past this. This aquarium place has always been here. It's always busy. Aquarium pet store. So is Kennedy Road a dead road now? Most likely. Without these smaller retailers, I don't think there will be any business here. All the big retailers have left. The only thing you have is Canada Computers is right there. The Blinds to Go and the pet store right there. There's nothing much else here to see. So yeah, that's the video for today. Hope you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Yeah, what is this? Chick Queen open. So that's a quick walkabout of Kennedy Road, the once mecca of technology and, you know, tech stuff from the 90s and 2000s. If you remember from the 90s and 2000s, this place was the place to be. It used to be so busy here, like bumper to bumper traffic. But now, look at it. People just drive through now. I guess the big box retailers win, like Costco, right? Online shopping has decimated this road. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks.